Are you looking for the best self-cleaning aquariums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best self-cleaning aquariums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wonderfactory 5-gallon Smart Aquarium. The Wonderfactory Smart Aquarium is designed to make fish keeping easy and enjoyable. Its all-in-one setup means you can start right away without needing tools or technical skills, perfect for busy or new aquarium owners. You can control feeding schedules, lighting, and temperature from your phone using the Smart Life app, giving you full control even when you're away. The tank features advanced filtration that keeps the water clean and clear quietly, so it won't disturb your home or office. Plus, the high-quality glass and customizable LED lights let you showcase your fish beautifully, enhancing any room's ambience day or night. What we like: easy setup, app control, quiet filtration, customizable LED lighting, clear UHA glass. Number 2. Wonderfactory Smart Aquarium 5-gallon. The Wonderfactory Smart Aquarium is a 5-gallon tank designed to make fish keeping easy and enjoyable. It comes ready to use right out of the box, featuring built-in filtration and a leak-proof design that requires no setup or extra tools. You can control the aquarium from your phone using the Smart Life app, which lets you schedule feedings, change the LED light colors, and check the water temperature anytime, perfect for busy lifestyles. The tank also includes a quiet, triple biofiltration system that keeps the water crystal clear and healthy for your fish, while the high-quality glass offers a clear view and customizable lighting to brighten your aquatic environment. What we like: app control and scheduling, built-in filtration system, leak-proof design, 7-color LED lighting, quiet operation. Number 3. Wonderfactory 10-gallon glass aquarium kit. The Wonderfactory 10-gallon aquarium is a complete setup that makes starting your fish tank easy and hassle-free. It includes a clear glass tank, a reliable heater to keep tropical and sensitive fish comfortable, and a hang-on back filter that cleans the water by removing debris and toxins. The tank is made from high-quality, ultra-clear glass that gives you a crystal-clear view of your aquatic pets. With everything packed in one kit, you don't need to buy extra parts, making it perfect for beginners who want a healthy, beautiful environment for their fish. What we like: complete all-in-one kit, reliable heater included, clear, high-quality glass, advanced water filtration. Number 4. Coospider 20-gallon glass aquarium kit. The Coospider aquarium kit offers a crystal-clear glass tank that gives you a beautiful, undistorted view of your aquatic pets, making it perfect for appreciating underwater life. Its quiet 3-in-1 pump handles filtering, oxygenating, and creating gentle water movement, which helps keep the tank cleaner and reduces your maintenance work. With 3 LED light colors, you can support plant growth while enhancing the tank's look both day and night. Plus, the built-in temperature monitor helps you keep the environment stable, which is important for sensitive fish like bettas and shrimp, ensuring they stay healthy and comfortable. What we like: quiet operation, easy setup, multiple light settings, compact design, helpful manufacturer support. Number 5. TARARIUM Small Fish Tank. The TARARIUM 2-gallon glass aquarium is a self-cleaning fish tank that is perfect for beginners and experienced fish keepers alike. Its complete filter system ensures that the tank stays crystal clear, reducing the need for frequent water changes. The tank also features colorful LED lights that create a visually stunning display, making your fish and plants look even more beautiful. Made entirely of glass, this tank is durable and built to last. It is a great gift idea for anyone who loves fish and makes for a stylish addition to any room. With its 180-day warranty and friendly customer service, you can purchase this tank with confidence. What we like: compact design, quiet operation, colorful lighting options, easy to set up, includes essential accessories.